so many days, so a long period. So yeah, I came back after so many days. I'm so sorry. As I said, I don't do that thing. I'm just so bad at that. So wait. Now I'm promising you guys. I'm promising you. I'm going to make more videos. I'm so sorry for that. Sorry, my camera is like this. So yeah, so I will going to make more videos. I will going to make more and more videos. So yeah, after so many days I came back. So on today's video I will going to discuss about two products which I'm loving it, and the products are for normal to dry to normal, combine to oily to every kind of skin. Whatever your skin is, it will work that much good. And the products are, one is face wash and one is serum. So I using this product for 10 to 15 days, and it show me the result, which I'm loving it, because I got the result after 2 to 3 days, after using 3 days only. That much good these products are. I'm not faking any kind of, and I bought this product and I'm loving it, and I will going to use over and over and over how much I can. So yeah, one is face wash and another one is serum. So I will discuss about the products only. And another thing, if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more this kind of videos, and if you want to recommend me some videos, then you can go to my description box, then you can go to my comment section and you can go comment there below which kind of videos do you want. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the छोटू सा बेल आइकन, because notified तो रहना है ना आप लोगों को मेरे साथ. So you should do that, these much of small things. So yeah, that I will say. So I'm going to discuss about that two product. Yeah, so without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So on today's video I will going to share the product which are of Sirona Beauty. Sirona, you can say it, you can call it as Sirona also, because they also make beauty products also. They also make girls hygiene and intimate products also. And this brand is award winning brand, and they are so good and they are so pocket friendly. You can buy, and the product are kind of environment friendly also and pocket friendly also. And the products are made of natural things. They didn't use any kind of chemicals, and which will be very good for your skin, because जितना चाहे आप लोग स्किन में कम केमिकल यूज़ करने अच्छा होता है. सच तो है ना ये. सो दे आर केमिकल फ्री. सो आप लोग इजीली यूज़ कर सकते हो इस चीज़ों को. वन इज़ फेस वॉश एंड अनदर वन इज़ serum, and more things are there on from this brand, but I bought these two things only from this brand because I'm hearing about this product, so I thought let me buy and try. So I bought and tried, and I didn't regret therefore buying this product, because they giving you that result only. That much only I'm loving about these two products. Guys, I will going to provide the links of this product on my description box, so don't forget to go and check out and go and buy this product. So yeah, without wasting your time, let's start talking about the product which I bought and what they contain and how to use. Yeah, you all know how to use, but what are the benefits of using this product? So the first thing which I am going to talk about is this exfoliating face wash of Sirona. Focus man. This exfoliating face wash, this smells so good, so soft, so soothing. So yeah, this by name only you can understand, exfoliating your face wash, which will exfoliate your skin and clear your dead cells from your skin. So yeah, let me talk about it. It contains mint oil, flaxseed, Tasmanian pepper fruit. If any kind of wrong pronunciation I have done, please sorry for that. And then it contains apricot seed powder. Okay, this face wash is a superfood for your skin and real exotic oils. It is antioxidant rich and has anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. So my experience from this product is This will make your skin hydrated, clean, then bouncy, bright like a star on the open sky, like that. Your face will glowing after using this, and it will cleanse all the dirt from your face, all the impurities, bad impurities from your face, which is very good. And yeah, and it's this face wash contain kind of little bits like a scrubbing. It's like scrub. It contain bits, little bit of bits, which will not harm your skin. There are few scrubs which contain granules, that bits kind of thing, which is very hard and which can scratch your skin, and after that your skin will going to look very bad. But the face wash, the product, the bits what it contain is kind of soft, which will kind of make your skin a good massage and remove the dead cell from your skin. So yeah, and let me say more things about this product. So yeah, uh, these contain no parabens, no chemicals. As I said at first, these products are not going to contain any kind of chemical or paraben thing, which is very good, and they are made of natural things only, and no preservatives are there, and 100% vegetable sources, and all the things are naturally came from natural things. Okay, so the things which is contained like flax seed extract, apricot seed powder, mint oil, mentha oil, beetroot extract, coconut oil extract, which are very good, and more things are there. And the different things what they contain, all the things have different benefits. Like tea tree oil have different benefit, mint have different benefit, then coconut oil coconut oil have different benefit. Everything have different benefits. Like flax is contain fatty acid that reduce fine lines and wrinkles and dullness from your skin, which will going to snatch your dullness from your skin. And beetroot extract, an excellent source of antioxidant and replenishment for your skin. And mentha oil, as I let me say, for this mentha oil or mint oil, you can feel your skin is very cool, very soft, very kind of hydrated. And as I said, you can, oily skin wala also can use, dry skin wala also can use, combined skin wala also can use, normal skin wala also can use, because that much good this face wash is. It will make your skin like bouncy, like hydrated, like naturally washed and purified skin. Whatever, so you will like feel like your skin is purified. Your skin will feel like it's born again. That much good it will feel. So yeah, let me open and show you the product. So guys, the next thing which I am going to talk about is serum, anti-acne face serum, Sirona anti-acne face serum. And I just loving the packaging of this product. This product came in this cardboard package, and yeah, I forget to say the price of that last one. I guess it cost 375 or something, and you are going to get it at discount. Good discount. You're going to get it at good discount, which is, the price is only very pocket friendly. You can buy, a student also can buy from their pocket money. So yeah, this is face serum. This contains salicylic acid, tea tree oil, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E. So salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, these things are so good for your skin. Means they're so good. And this serum exfoliates the skin to give acne-free and hydrated skin. Salicylic acid clear extra sebum and impurities. Tea tree oil helps the acne lessons and calm inflammation to avoid dryness. Vitamin E and hyaluronic acid fortify the skin and lock its moisture. So they are so good. As I said over here, the everything, the thing about the thing which is content written. So salicylic acid remove the sebum and bad impurities from your skin. Then tea tree oil heals the acne, and then vitamin E and hyaluronic acid fortify the skin and lock the moisture. In few products you will see face wash or serum what it is, something which its content which make your skin feel like dry and no moisture is there, but this product will not going to feel your skin like no moisture is there, no hydration is there. It will feel like your skin is hydrated and moisture as well as it can, because your face will going to feel like your face is newly born, as I said. So yeah, this is the product, 30 ml of product. Let me show you, and I love the package. So it's open like this. It will give you a moisture kind of feeling, hydrated feeling on your skin. And I'm smelling it because I'm just loving with this smell. And this product cost me around 500 or 600. I will going to put the image on this side or the price over here. So yeah, this is the thing which it contains, and the consistency, as I showed, it's kind of water based, and it feel like healing and coolness, and it will going to feel like hydrated. Your skin is breathing like this thing. So how much good these products are. And guys, I will going to mention the links on my description box of this product. You can go there and buy the products from there also, and you can watch the products details from there also. And yeah, as I said, you can buy on from this Sirona Beauty or Sirona, this brand Sirona. They don't only have beauty products, they also have different things of women hygiene and intimate. They have razors, facial razors, body shaving wala razors, then then sanitary things of women, then different things, and beauty products are also there, like this serum, face wash, body lotion, this etc. These things are there. So you can go and check out there by my links which I will going to provide on my description box. And yeah, these are the things which I want to say on this video. I will going to put screenshots over here or photos over here. You can see from there also, and you after seeing that go and search. Yeah, these are the things. I'm just loving it. I'm not regretting about buying these products. They are so good, and I'm make my words, if you buy these products you will also going to love it, because they're that much good, that much effective for your skin. You will also don't going to regret about buying this product. After buying this product you will also want to buy over and over and over. So yeah, without wasting your time, these are the things what I want to say about these products. And go and search the links which I will provide on my description box. Go over there and see, and if you want more this kind of video, then please comment me below and suggest me over after using this product. Don't forget to say me that how you feeling about these products, because I know you will going to love it. And if you want to follow on my social media account, like I have Instagram account, you can go over there also. You can go and follow me over there also. I used to update all the things on my Instagram account. You can go and follow me over there. You can see everything's over there. So yeah, without wasting your time, bye bye. And the main thing what I want to say, don't forget to wear your mask when you go outside, not by like this, by not cover your face with hands, okay? Just cover your face with mask. Mask is for that only, for covering your face. Hand is not for that. So yeah, go if you go outside on this pandemic, then wear your mask, sanitize yourself, wash your hand. How much clean you can live, please live like that only. So yeah, have a nice day. Bye bye guys, meet you in the next video.